Hello, my name is Lily Karbowski, and this is my exam mini video number 5. Suppose you are given a sequence of DNA. The product of transcription is a strand of mRNA that includes uracil in place of thymine. Once you've transcribed the DNA sequence into mRNA, it can be translated into amino acids that then create a sequence that code for proteins. First, we need our start codon AUG, which codes for the amino acid MET. Then our amino acid sequence is TRP, ILE, THR, and then a stop codon UGA is reached. Suppose you take the same DNA sequence, but an error is made and a G is substituted with a C, resulting in a missense mutation. Missense mutations change the resulting amino acid. In this case, the amino acid was changed from TRP to CYS. Since a G was substituted by a C, this is a transversion mutation because a purine, guanine, was substituted by a pyrimidine, cytosine. Take the same DNA sequence again, but this time an error is made where a G is substituted with an A, resulting in a nonsense mutation. Nonsense mutations change a codon so that it becomes a stop codon. In this case, the TRP codon was changed to a stop codon. Since a G was substituted by an A, this is an example of a transition mutation because a purine, adenine, was substituted for a purine, guanine. Take the same DNA sequence again, but this time an error is made so that a T is changed to a C and a silent mutation occurs. Silent mutations do not change the amino acid coded for, and in this case, the codon is still ILE. Since a T was substituted by a C, this is an example of a transition mutation because a pyrimidine, thymine, was substituted by a pyrimidine, cytosine. Finally, take the same DNA sequence one more time, but this time an error occurs that changes an A to a C, resulting in a read-through mutation. Read-through mutations change a stop codon to a codon that codes for an amino acid, which results in a longer protein. In this case, the stop codon is changed to CYS. Since an A was substituted by a C, this is an example of a transversion mutation because a purine, adenine, was replaced by a pyrimidine, cytosine.